Sunday, June 23rd, 2024. 10:15, high 80s going to high 90s, coming back down to high 70s tonight. The GoPro Black 10 just got hot and cut off. I don't know if we're going to add this to that video or whether we'll just make this another video. Now, I think this up here is Langford Parkway, I think. I mean, I could be telling y'all some stuff that's wrong. No, State Road 166, Lakewood Freeway, Langford Parkway. They take you out to around Carrollton if you go left out there, have to go west. We're coming into Atlanta from the bottom end. The other video, the GoPro Black 10 that got mad, little girl GoPro got mad, got hot and cut off. We started it when we got on 285 at Georgia 155 Candler Road. Going to 339 here. These roads aren't particularly well, this is pretty well maintained, but they got that drain drop way down, tear your front end out. Ave Metropolitan State College. I guess we're gonna have to let some video do some, or YouTube, or yeah, YouTube do some auto generating the landing page because we haven't taken photos. Is a railroad trestle. We had McDonald's early this morning, but we're getting hungry again. us at Stewart Ave Metropolitan Parkway. New stuff. Maybe the older buildings. David Abernathy Boulevard. We could go left here. That's sort of what I might want to do, actually. I don't know though. Here to the right, that's probably, I expect it still is where the carriage, horses and the carriages stayed. Well, maybe not right there, over here a little bit further to the left maybe. Or maybe right here. I forgot exactly where it is. They used to be up here all the time, but not anymore. We have come under, what, Peter Street? We'll be bearing to the right. We'll go by the bends. What do I want to eat? I'm hungry. Will be good food. Never been to the bends. Don't plan on going either. Anything that'd be be in there that I'd want to see. This is also Northside Drive. I'm about ready to turn this off and let that be a wrap. To be projects here. Now they've got it cleaned out. I don't know what they're going to be building. There's a train. North Avenue, take us down by the varsity. North side hit 75, or we could go to Powell Mill and hit 75. Or we could turn left up here and go out further and then go up. 4,800 for that old Ford van there. And I've mentioned it quite a few times in my videos, but this corner up here on the left, September 2nd, 1864, is when the city of and where the city of Atlanta was surrendered to General Sherman's forces. We're going to turn left right here after that car comes by, or after these other cars come by. Uh-oh. Just the light turned on us. Yeah, there's the marker right over there. Surrender of Atlanta to the left. All this residential. I'm thinking that Bradley and his catalytic converter stuff's come loose in there. house. I've worked on a couple of things that could be rattling down there, but it doesn't seem to be. 10th Street, take you down to Piedmont Park on the right. Street. So we have to watch these crosswalks. Street, take you down to Piedmont Park, take you down to one of the two hippie capitals of Atlanta during the 60s, early 70s. Need to get over to the right. Okay, I think this is Atlanta Waterworks. We're going to go ahead and cut this off. I think we've got a funeral coming out or something going on up there, so I guess we're going to be stuck here for a bit. Let's go ahead and turn it off.